Hi, it's David Corcoran here from Nordic Real Estate, and thank you very much for coming back to the channel. We're going to have another chat about buying property in Florida and see if we can help you with a few more of your questions. One of the reasons that I went back into the Florida property market is because now is just an amazing time to buy and invest into property in Florida. In the past, clients were putting in a smaller deposit and relying on more rental income coming into the houses. Since the mortgage market has changed, now clients are putting in a bigger deposit, which means that the rental market, the available rental that is there for the houses, is making sense of their investment. One of the things about Nordic Real Estate is that everybody involved in the team are expert at what they do. From the people that take you out to look at the homes through to the management team, every person in that office is an expert. They know what they're doing. They've been doing it a long time and they're there to help. So you can ask questions, and I would encourage you to ask questions of every member of the team. If they don't know the answer to the question, they'll go and find it out for you. It's as simple as that. And then they'll come back and make you feel a lot more comfortable about what you're doing. When the weather's like this in the UK, it's a great place to be. It really is. It's fantastic. But the few days that we get like this are so few and far between through the year that one of the reasons, if not the main reason, that clients buy in the States, buy in Florida, is because of the sunshine and because of the Disney attractions. And it's just a lovely place to be. There's no question about it. The sunshine is there. The facilities are there. There's plenty of things to do, and when you don't want to do too much, what you can do is go across to the Gulf Coast and spend some time on the beach and just enjoy sitting on the beach, enjoying really nice warm water. So what clients often ask is, well, how do I transfer my money? And one of the ways we do that is through companies such as TT Money Corp. And simply by setting up an account with TT Money Corp, you can arrange for your sterling to be converted into dollars and to be transferred exactly where you need it to be. So on an ongoing basis, for your management of your property, we can help you arrange all of that so it becomes a really simple process. You are informed about the rental that's going into your property all the time, so you know when it's available for your own visits, but more importantly, you know how much rental you're getting into the property at any particular point in time. If you're to buy and sell a property in England, the person that you will be dealing with will not be holding any form of qualification normally for the transaction of that property in the UK. Anybody can be an estate agent here. In Florida, it's very different. You need to have Florida real estate licenses in order to transact property. We can only wish that that would happen here in the UK. Perhaps we would have a better marketplace for the buying, selling and renting of property. In the States, however, you are covered by Florida real estate law, and it is a very strict law that the people who are holding the licenses need to perform in a particular way in order to safeguard the interests of their clients. The people that you'll be working with all hold Florida real estate licenses. If they are showing you property, you can ask to see their Florida real estate license, and please do, because we've always got them with us and we're happy to show you that we have taken the exams that are required in order for you to be shown property in the short-term rental area. Sometimes we deal in resales, second-hand homes that have come back onto the marketplace that are very good deals. And if at the time when you're out there, or if that's the type of thing that you're looking for, even before you go out there, we will make sure that we have properties to show you. Sure, resale homes are also a really good investment, depending on where they are, depending on the quality of the property and its proximity to the Disney attractions. If a good listing comes up and it's available and the client is there on an inspection trip, we will show the client that property. Good second-hand homes do not stay in the marketplace very long, so it's more than likely that when you're out there on an inspection trip that the homes that are available will be shown to you, but it may be that when you return home that we have a home that comes up that might fit within your criteria, and we'll email it across to you to have a look. If you like it, then either you can come back and have a look, or alternatively we can always do it as a remote transaction for you. It's very important that you're developing confidence in the people that you're working with, and that's what this process is all about, to make sure that you have got the confidence in us, that you know that you're dealing with industry professionals that are focused on making sure that you're getting great advice and being guided through this process of going from someone who's interested in property through to someone who has bought a home, and then subsequently someone who needs to have it managed and produce a rental income. That's what our function is. That's what we do very well. The reason I work with Nordic Real Estate is because of the individuals involved in Nordic Real Estate. They are amazing. They go that extra mile for the clients to make sure that the clients are getting what they need, which is great advice, which is all of the information that will help them make a good decision about buying property overseas. Buying property overseas can be a very scary experience. Because it's a scary experience, then what we need to do is to fully inform the client about what they're doing, to make sure that the individual, the person, knows that what they're getting involved with, not only the company Nordic Real Estate, but also when they've bought their home, what their liabilities are, what their responsibilities are, and how they can make the property work so that they can enjoy it. And it's all about enjoying the home. You know, Disney's changing all the time. The land is constantly being developed, which means that the homes themselves are going up in value all of the time. So yeah, it's a great time to invest, and it's more than likely that the client's home will go up in value long before the person, if they're buying a new home that is, takes ownership of the property. So yes, it's a fantastic investment.